Hi, and welcome back. So today we've got the 2023 Toyota Supra 2.0. This thing is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And as you saw from the thumbnail, we're going to be putting on the front license plate, no drill mount from Carbonio. Now in New Jersey, unfortunately, you have to have a front license plate. So we're going to be mounting it, because we don't want any tickets, right into the grill here. This does not restrict airflow, because you have airflow all the way around this and also on the sides. It's been tested. And also it's no drill, which is fantastic. So I'm going to set up the camera here so you can see what we're doing. Okay, there we go. Perfect, right on the center spot. So again, this is Carbonio makes this. Okay, so you can go to carbonio.com if you want to get this. It's really easy to do, super awesome. So the first thing is you have this little piece here that hangs, and it has a little nut that you can slide up and down wherever you need it. And so what we're going to do is you find the center of your grill, and you want to put this behind the grill. So you just drop it behind like that, and it's centered. Okay. And then you get the license plate mount, and it has these little fingers on the back, which will keep it level. You just hang it on your grill, and it has this little thumb screw. And all you do, couldn't get any easier, you put the thumb screw through, you hold this, and you tighten it up. I mean, this is as simple as it gets. Easy, easy. It's also about 4 or 5 inches away from the grill, so there's airflow over it, to either side, behind it, under it. I mean, this is super, super, really, really good license plate mount. It's not inexpensive. It's about 120 bucks plus shipping, but it's well worth it, because the ticket is more than double that here in New Jersey for not having a front plate, and you can't put it in your windshield, you get a ticket. So there you go, we're tightened up. Now, it does come with this Allen key, and I'm going to show you here on the sides, right here, and on the other side, you want to tighten these, okay, because what you can adjust the distance out and back of the plate, and also the tilt up and down of the plate. And then you just mount your plate with these 4 screws, which we're going to do right now, and we'll have our license plate mounted. So let me put this back down. Oops, hang on. Okay. And then we've got our screws here. We're going to mount the plate. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. Beautiful. Just got to find the... There it is. Now I moved it, but I got it. Come on. There we go. We just tighten them up a little bit so they're not going to spin loose, and then I'll put the bottom ones in, and then we've got our license plate mounted. I mean, this install does not get any easier. Super simple, looks fantastic. You know, really goes well with the design and the look of the car. Does not block any airflow at all into the car at all. I mean, you've got tons of room around this thing, over it, under it. So yeah, take a look. You've got room around this, over it, under it. I mean, and you have the sides, these are open. So let's step back, take a look. That looks fantastic. Really, really looks good. Beautiful mount, super easy. Took us less than 5 minutes. So there you go. Super easy. Carbonio.com. Definitely recommend it. I mean, if you have a Supra 2.0 and you live in a state that requires a front plate, this thing is fantastic. You don't have to drill. There's no adhesives. You don't have to do any damage to the car. It's completely removable. You just take off the plate, undo the thumb screw, pull out that little bracket, and you're done. So you can take it off, put it on whenever you need. Totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Thanks again to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button. We're getting close to the 1,000 subscriber threshold, and we need every subscriber we can get. So make sure you do click that subscribe button, click the like, click the alarm bell, comment. I answer all comments, share, and we'll see you next time.